The creaking noise that you heard just now when I'm going through a speed bump is probably because of this door frame here rubbing against the weather strip of the car. What I've heard from a mechanic who once worked in a service center of BMW, he said that their solution is to stick a single-sided foam tape onto the frame of the door to reduce that noise or to eliminate them. I went to Mr. DIY and found these door rubber seals. They are single-sided. They have some thickness, about like maybe 3 mm or 4 mm of thickness over here. And I'll try this to apply on the frame of the car. The instruction says to apply on the entire frame of the car, but probably I think we don't have enough material here. I'm just going to try on the top side of each door and to see if this reduces the creaking noise of my E36. This is the rubber strip from Mr. DIY. I think I bought it for 14 ringgit, around that price. Width of the rubber seems just fine for this usage. Oh, surprisingly, it's actually not a solid tape. If you can see, there's a very small holes over here. There's air holes in them. It's like a B shape. B. I have done the same for the driver's side door. Looks really neat and OEM, unnoticeable. Let's try the door closing sound. I could feel a little bit more resistance, and when I pull the handle, literally the door pops out because of the extra thickness from this foam. It's not too difficult to close the door, but has a little bit more resistance. I've done the same on the rear door. It's a bit short because I didn't want to, there's not much space for me to adhere to the side here, the slanting side here. I've noticed a very good sound improvement when I'm closing the door for this rear door. It never sounded that solid. The installation is really quick and easy. There's no complication. Just make sure you have wiped the door frame. If you can, wipe it with some cleaner to give it a good clean surface so that the adhesive is more tacky. You heard I just went through a bump and the creaking noise has reduced, I guess like somewhere like maybe 80%, and I think with less of the creaking noise, the whole ride quality feels better. It's as though the car just gotten a soundproofing effect. Let's try this, a very sharp bump again. Let's try it again. See? No more. Very little. Again. Oh, quiet. So 14 ringgit from Mr. DIY. I'm not sponsored by Mr. DIY, but I really love the little intuitive things. You know, it's cheap, nice to try, good to experiment with. I like their stuff over there very much. So okay, thank you for watching this. Just trying to share whether this product helps or not, especially if you have an old car like this, that the chassis may flex a little bit more and the doors making a lot of creaking noise rubbing against the door frame. You should try putting on these cheap door seals from Mr. DIY. They work as well. Okay, so see you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Feel free to leave your comments if you like to have other video suggestions. Okay, bye bye.